The Philips Norelco electric shaver, model number 3100. Hey, this is Rob. Okay, this is what you get when you buy the shaver. The power cord is over 5 feet long. You get the shaver and that plastic cap goes over the shave heads. And then I bought the some recommended accessories. I got the hard case and a replacement set of Norelco shaving heads. The shaving heads should be replaced every 12 months according to the manual. I'm still getting used to the transition from blade shaving. The manual says to give it 21 days trial period. I still think that blade shaving gives you a closer shave, but this razor does okay. I like it. I've been using it for about 5 weeks now. Recharging takes 8 hours. The manual says you get about 45 minutes of shave time per charge. I get about 4 to 5 shaves per charge. And this is how the razor sounds. Okay. Now what's really interesting to me is how you clean this shaver. I think in the old days you just got a brush with your electric shaver. Okay, this one you just run hot water. Let it get hot. And then you just flip open the shave heads, and the compartment underneath is revealed. And then you run hot water all through that. And then that's all you have to do to flush out the stubble from your shaving. There is the side trimmer, which also can be washed in the hot water. Shake it to get rid of some of the excess water, but not too hard. I did that, and that shave head assembly just pulled away from the body of the shaver. That was a problem. But it's easy to get back in. That tab that you see there snaps right back in there. It's just something you want to watch out for, and just don't shake it too hard and it won't go flying across the room. Okay, after you get that tab back in there, it works. So after washing, you allow the shaver to air dry. So you reopen the shaver and place it somewhere where it can drain off a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this video.